Hello everyone, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are exploring the best magnetic phone cooler. If your phone gets hot during gaming, streaming, or heavy multitasking, this powerful cooling device might be exactly what you need to keep performance stable and smooth. Let's see what makes it stand out. Let's get started. The Tongde Tech K22 magnetic phone cooler is designed for gamers and power users who push their phones to the limit. One of the first things you will notice is its eye-catching design with 6 dynamic lighting effects. These lighting modes create a competitive and immersive atmosphere, especially during gaming sessions. It adds a bold and modern look to your mobile setup. At the center of the Tongde Tech K22 magnetic phone cooler is a professional radiator with an integrated screen. This built-in display shows real-time temperature, gear position, and other key information. You can instantly see how hot your phone is and how the cooler is performing. This makes it easier to stay in control without guessing. The cooler features a 4-speed adjustment system. You can manually select the cooling level based on your needs. Whether you are casually browsing or playing graphics-heavy games, you can adjust the cooling intensity to match the situation. One of the most advanced features is its AI-driven temperature control. The Tongde Tech K22 magnetic phone cooler works like a smart temperature manager. It senses your phone's heat level and automatically adjusts cooling power to keep the temperature within an optimal range. This intelligent control helps prevent overheating and protects your device during long gaming sessions. With a powerful 15-watt cooling capacity, the cooler delivers strong performance. It quickly reduces heat buildup and provides a cool and stable surface for your phone. This not only improves gaming stability, but can also help extend the life of your device by reducing long-term thermal stress. The magnetic attachment system makes installation simple and secure. It attaches firmly to compatible phones, keeping the cooler in place even during intense gameplay. At the same time, it is easy to remove when you no longer need it. The Tongde Tech K22 magnetic phone cooler combines performance, smart control, and bold design into one compact accessory. It removes the complexity often found in high-performance cooling devices and replaces it with an easy-to-use interface and clear display. Stay cool and play longer. If you want strong 15-watt cooling, AI temperature management, real-time display, adjustable speed control, and striking lighting effects, the Tongde Tech K22 magnetic phone cooler is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more powerful tech videos. See you next time.